So let's learn how to drape a dhoti like this. I love this drape which is quite unique in itself. So I've taken a normal 6 meter sari for this. We leave this much extra length on the right side, which is around 1 meters. As you can see, I've left extra length on the right side, and now I am matching it up. See, there's extra length on the right, and then I am aligning it in a way that the right side is longer by around 1 meter and the left side is shorter. Now I have put it around my waist and I'll tie the knots. As you can see, I have used a silk sari with Ganga Jamuna borders, which are different colors on the top and on the bottom. The knots should be tight enough so that it doesn't open. Once the knots are done, first we'll take the right side, which is the longer side. We'll take it behind like this. So once this is done, hold it from here and tuck it at the back. If you think that it might come out, then you can use pins here. I normally don't use pins because I've had a lot of practice with dhotis. So after tucking it, bring the remaining part in the front and make pleats like this as shown here. So I've made pleats. Make them neatly. Redo it if you have to. Make sure the pleats look nice and neat. I mean, it doesn't always have to be perfect. If you're doing a casual drape, it's fine. But this look I created keeping in mind that I had to make it look a little formal. That's why I emphasized on the fact that the pleats need to be very neat in this particular style. So once the needs are done, you can pin it if you want, and you can also iron it so that it stays in place. So yeah, the pleats are ready and now I will tuck it inside. So the tucking has been done, but it's quite loose from the ankles. So I have to pull the extra fabric up like this so that it doesn't stay loose near the ankles. So see, I've pulled it up and I'll untuck it again and I'll tuck the entire fabric inside so that it's nice and tight around the ankles. So yeah, this is the right side. Now we will work on the left side, which is the shorter side. So we'll take it at the back and we'll tuck it again like we did on the right side. So you can again pin this if you want. Now once this is done, bring the remaining fabric in the front and you have to make cascade pleats. Cascade pleats are these zigzag pleats, as you can see. It might look a little difficult and it might not happen the first time you try it, but with some practice you can master it. You can take help from somebody else who has more expertise in draping at home, maybe your mother or your sister, wife. And yeah, so the cascade pleat is done like this. You have to hold the corner like this from the top and you have to tuck it inside. As you can see, the pleats are done. You can also use a pin like I have used, and then you have to tuck it inside your waist like I'll just show you. Yeah, so the entire fabric has to go inside. If you want, you can also iron it like I have done here. And this is the final drape. I think it looks quite regal. I'm pairing it with a Jodhpuri set and I've added a belt also. So I think the overall look is quite classy. Let me know in the comments how you liked it. Do like, share and subscribe.